Hi again, and thank you so much for asking these questions. The question was 7-4, evaluate number 6. So it says, give an example of an equation with an infinite number of solutions, then make one change to the equation so that it has no solutions. Infinite number. So let's review again the notes, the examples that I gave you. And so I can go back to the lesson right here, 7-4 on my.hrw. My computer is so slow because everybody's using it. So right here on the examples that I provided, the beginning, remember that we had that math talk first. And on that math talk, we had x plus 5 and x plus 4, and they were equal. There's no number that you can add 5 to it or add 4 to it and be the same, so this one has no solution. Okay, there are some equations that have only one solution, and then there's those that have infinitely many. So this one we had that it had infinitely many solutions. You notice 4x minus 5, 4x minus 5. The variable and the constant terms are exactly the same. Both sides are exactly the same. So those have infinitely many solutions. And then those that don't have the same, then that means that there is no solution. They need, okay? So now I can go back in here and see. Okay, so an example of an equation with infinitely many solutions, they have to have exactly the same thing. So right here, 3x plus 2 has to be exactly the same on this side too. 3x plus, what's missing? The 2. Now an equation with one change and no solution. So they have no solution. So in order for it to have no solution, the variable terms have to be the same. So here I put 3x, but the constant terms have to be different. So it doesn't matter. I can put in, like this one has plus 5, I can put in plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. I'm sorry, this one had plus 4, plus 2, I'm sorry. Anything but plus 2. I could also put minus if I want to. So I'm just going to, put plus 4. Okay? And then I'm going to check my answer. Try again. An equation with one change. One change. One change. An example of an equation with infinitely many solutions. Everything else stayed the same. The only thing that I changed was the 4. Let me see. Wow. 3x, an example of an equation with infinitely many solutions so that it has no solution. Okay. Let me see if I keep the 2 and then I put minus, would that work? Show correct answers. Okay, that's what they were expecting. They just left it as 3x. What I told you was correct. So they just kept it as just the 3x. They took away these things. Okay, so now you know. Let me see, try another one. So this one is gonna stay exactly the same, 6, and this one I'm just gonna make one change. So I'm just gonna keep it as 6x and not put the other one. Let me see. Yay, I got it right. Okay, thank you.